Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and to shed more light over this topic, we are joined over the phone by Dr. Amany Shenawy, the Professor of the Sustainable Development and the Renewable Energy. A very good morning to you, Dr. Amany. Thank you for being with us on the breakfast show.
Good morning.
Good morning. Doctor, can you tell us more about the factors that contributed for the Cairo University's success in securing the second prize in this competition?
It is very good news that we hear that the Cairo University, the architecture section in the engineering university has won this very valuable prize.
Yes.
And it is very important at that point to shed light on the importance of having green buildings. This is very important in nowadays and in our modern life and in Egypt in the future. So we are giving our best wishes to the Cairo University and all the team that worked on the very successful environmental project.
Yes, for sure. Also, Doctor, how does this achievement can enhance the international reputation of the Cairo University and Egyptian higher education institutions?
The Egyptian University has taken wide steps in the field of architecture and in having a team that goes for green buildings. Green buildings in specific have a lot of qualifications that have to be attained in order to be approved and in order to win this very valuable prize. So you have to work on optimizing high efficiency heating, ventilation, air conditioning. You have to work on insulation and glazing in order to save energy. You have to work on renewable energy sources that will be used by the building. Those are different areas of engineering that you should have a good team that collaborates with other sectors of engineering, sections of engineering, not only the architecture engineering department, but also you have to be in contact with the chemical engineering department, which I come from, which worked long ago in solar energy and in improving the solar energy project. You have to be working with every section in the engineering university. So it is a big team that made this success.
Yes. Also, Doctor, can you tell us more about in what ways can international academic competitions contribute to improving the research quality and innovation among the universities in general?
As for innovation as a start, we have young leaders who led this team. We have 3 ladies and a supervisor, Dr. Mohsen Abu-Naga, the Professor of Sustainable Urban Environment in the Department of Architecture. So innovation comes when the young leaders start to create and start to put their projects into application. Also, the research is very important. We are having a wide number of researchers, and the university is giving them the best environment in order to make the researches and in order to put their projects into application and apply this in the buildings, especially that we are having new cities in Egypt which are meant to be called green cities, adopting the green buildings and the environmental specifications.
Yes, also how does this participation in the global forums help the universities benchmark their performance against the international standards?
The international standings and standards, and after man ruined the Mother Earth and the atmosphere with all
Yes.
this carbon emissions. We are having now standards that call for reducing carbon emissions using better energy resources, keeping the energy through insulation and through building the buildings in good specifications. So in Egypt we are doing this, and we are doing this in our new cities in particular. We are having green cities among the Egypt from north to south and to the west among the Mediterranean shore. Every village on the shore or every city that is new is having the new standards, the universal standards applied.
Yes, also what are the lessons can the Egyptian universities learn from this great achievement that Cairo's universities had achieved?
Research is very important, so we have to take care of research in all our universities.
Yes.
Having the youth as teams, as this successful team is giving us the innovation and the new ideas that might be competitive and might lead to many more successes in all areas of research.
Yes, and as we know that you are the sustainable development doctor, how do the renewable energy technologies contribute to environmentally sustainable building design?
I'm an analyst.
Yes.
I do analyze as a chemical engineer what's happening all around the world, and having good analytics and especially the digital analysis. It's very important to know how many buildings we have now in order to be able to plan for the future. Digital planning is very important, so we are going wide steps among sustainable environmental development in Egypt, and I can see very good reports including good digits that we are having a green future, especially that we are having the resources. We're having the solar energy. It's a very important resource in Egypt, and we are leading Africa in this area of energy. We are capable, and we have the potential to export energy, especially the green energy and the clean energy, from nuclear energy to solar energy to wind energy and all the kind of green hydrogen energy that we're having when chemistry partners with the environmental researchers and all what's happening in Egypt, the nuclear energy, we are having a very good potential for energy development away from the fossil fuels that emits carbon.
Absolutely, yes. Well, the sustainable architecture and the green building, what are the fundamental principles of the green building and the sustainable architecture?
For green buildings to be developed and to be applied everywhere, we have to take care of energy efficiency, the renewable energy, optimizing and using high efficiency heating, ventilation and air conditioning systems.
Yes.
We must have good insulation and glazing, advanced thermal insulation and high performance windows to reduce heating and cooling loads and the leakage of the heat or the coolness.
Yes.
We have to have the renewables, integration of one-site renewable energy sources such as solar panels that has to be spread all over the green buildings. We also, as for water conservation, we should have low-flow fixtures, installation of aerators, low-flow toilets, and sensor-activated sanitation.
Yes.
We must have water recycling implementation of grey water recycling and rainwater harvesting systems for irrigation and non-portable use. We should have materials and resources that are sustainable materials, recycled, rapidly renewable materials used. We should have low-emitting products in order to save the energy. We should have waste management also. The recycle is very important in order to have clean environment.
Yes.
The indoor environmental quality has to be high. We should have air quality. We should have proper ventilation, air filtration systems to remove pollutants. We should have natural light maximized.
Yes.
Thermal comfort too is very important, providing high quality control over indoor temperature and humidity.
Yes.
We should select the sites and the ecology well in order to have smart locations, choosing sites near public transit to reduce transportation, too much transportation. We should have green spaces incorporating green roofs, native landscapes, and all the green areas. Those are very important factors.
Yes, well, they are very important factors and the fundamentals. Thank you so much, Dr. Amany Shenawy, the Professor of the Sustainable Development and Renewable Energy, for contributing with us in the breakfast show. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, and by this we come to the end of our episode. Thank you for the watching and stay tuned. We have more to come. It was Sahar Al-Talawi.